Hello everybody, welcome to another video. I'm here in Playa del Carmen, where I'm staying now in this little apartment, and right outside it's actually pretty nice because there's a swimming pool here on the roof. Today I'm gonna go down to the beach and check it out and see what it looks like, because there was a hurricane here not long ago, and there have been a lot of hurricanes that sort of have been passing by outside the Yucatan Peninsula here in Mexico. So I think actually the hurricane just blew away all the seaweed. There was a bunch of seaweed that covered the whole beach, and then after the hurricane everything blew away. The weather looks pretty nice out here actually. Hello! So I've been going to the gym a lot since I came here to Playa del Carmen, and after the gym I come and jump into the pool here, and then sometimes I sit here and hang out a bit in the sun. It's so nice. I'm always by myself here. It's like I have this whole place to myself. Really nice. So here is the swimming pool. I think I'm gonna go swimming here a bit later, but first I'm gonna head down to the beach. Just wanted to come up here and see what the weather was like. Actually, I had to come back to the room here and grab something real quick, but I'm gonna be on my way now. I just have to get some water and then I will be heading out. So my room is up there, and then you pass by this little, yeah, it's pretty nice. So I'm on my way down to the beach, which is about half a mile down there from where I'm staying now, or 800 meters. Now we're almost there, about 200 meters left. So I came down to 5th Avenue here. This is the main road, as you might already know. So I've been walking for a bit here now on 5th Avenue, and it's a really nice day still. It's supposed to be raining actually. It's in the middle of the rainy season and hurricanes, but really nice weather and a bunch of people passing by here. So I'm on my way over to a beach club actually to check it out, but I stopped here to hang out with this guy for a bit. So I haven't seen this part of town before. It's like a huge shopping mall right here on 5th Avenue. Actually, there was not much to do up here, so we're gonna ride this little slide here. Look. Woohoo! Yee-hoo! Oh! There's not so good slide here. Oh, so scary, look at the skull. Oh, it's getting real sweaty here now. The sun is deep, the frying is deep, sweat is dripping. Oh, maybe I should buy a thick jacket for the winter. Walking here on the 5th Avenue and constantly hear people shouting after you, "You wanna get high, you wanna get high." Here now at the Fusion Beach Club. So we're gonna head out on the beach and check it out, see how nice the water is also now. really nice day. The water is actually not as nice as it was last year, but it's still a really good vibe here. The sun is shining. We heard some music here from the beach club, and there are a lot of people out here. So I'm here at this beach club now, and I met some people here. They're doing some crazy stuff. So I've been sitting here at this beach club for some time. I met some people from different parts of the world. It's really nice here. A lot of people are out, and the music is playing. I'm walking here on the beach now, and the sun came out again. But I don't know if I want to keep traveling. It's been nice to be here for a bit and go to the gym and get a bit of a routine. And that's the question, what I can film if I don't travel. Here's another beach club. I like Mexico actually. It's pretty nice here. It's really free. You can come and go as you want, really. You fly into Mexico and you get 6 months tourist visa. And now there's also this thing where you can get a 4-year visa and pretty much become a resident. So I don't know why they're doing that now, but it might be something with COVID. When the visa expires after 6 months, you can get a 4-year temporary visa, and automatically after those 4 years you become a resident of Mexico. The sun is frying, my forehead is dripping full of sweat, but I'm gonna head back home now. It was a nice time on the beach. Yeah, let's see what else we can do today. Oh, it's dripping. Everything is dripping of sweat. Deep. Oh, the frying was too deep over there. So much sweat. I'm trying to find my way home now. And I might go to the gym actually. Maybe go to the gym, maybe drink some milk. Maybe sit, jump into the pool actually. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Jump into the swimming pool. Do some little pool tricks there, but the pool is so shallow, so it will be challenging to do. Where am I now? I have to find our way home. Oof, I just came back here to the place. I might jump into the pool, but the sun is gone. It's quite nice to be back here and just relax a bit.
Yeah!
No!
Sven is back with 25 beers. 25 beers.
No!
Your life is going to be miserable.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to destroy your life.
No!
I'm your alcoholic twin brother. You'll never get rid of me.
Oh no, Sven, my alcoholic twin brother. I still don't know if other people can see him or not. He came last time when I was in Puerto Vallarta too. Oh no. Oh no. Maybe I didn't drink enough water. Oh.
What are you doing over there? I came here to have a talk with you and drink some beer. I just had my favorite dish for lunch. Beans. Oh, yeah. Come on over here now. We're gonna have a little talk.
Well, I really don't want to talk to you. You never have anything good to say. Okay, I will listen to you one time, but you can come over here. Okay, so what is it that you want to say?
Nobody's gonna watch your videos anymore. If you stop traveling, nobody's gonna watch it. Nobody's gonna watch your videos. Nobody. You might as well go and buy 15 beers. 15 beers. So, I was thinking that you can drink with me.
No.
Full time.
No. Why would I do that?
Full time drinking. And then lose your wallet. Lose all your money.
I don't even know if you're real or not. I hope you're gone by the time I get here tomorrow. I'm gonna go and I'm not gonna come back here
I
until
will
tomorrow.
be here. I will always be here. I'm gonna corrupt you. Just like I corrupt everybody else in this world. I will be here.
Oh, I came back in again. Because I don't want to hang out with Sven, my alcoholic twin brother. All he does is drink. And they say that we are an average of the 5 people we spend the most time with in life. If I hang out with Sven, then I'm gonna end up drinking and having a miserable life. I have to keep Sven out of my life. Hopefully I don't see him out there at the pool again. I was gonna jump in, but I didn't want to hang out with him, so I think tomorrow I'm gonna go and jump into the pool again. Hopefully we don't see Sven there.
10 more beers, please. 10 more beers.
I locked my door so Sven won't be able to come in here. It's the next day actually, and I slept pretty good last night. I'm gonna call my grandmother now, and then I might go up and check to see if Sven is gone from the swimming pool there. I might also get a haircut. I've been thinking about getting a haircut for a long time now. I've been speaking to my parents lately, in Sweden also. I went up to the swimming pool again, and Sven was not there, which was good. This is the end of the video now, so thank you for watching. Please leave it a thumbs up, and if you enjoyed it, also please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.